Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your AT&T internet keeps disconnecting again and again, it can quickly become irritating, especially when videos stop loading, work gets interrupted, or devices suddenly lose connection without warning. Sometimes the internet comes back after a few moments, while in other situations the connection drops repeatedly throughout the day. This issue can happen because of weak signal placement, modem problems, loose cables, temporary network interruptions, or settings that are not working correctly. Since AT&T internet depends on a stable signal between your modem and the network, even a small interruption can make the connection feel unreliable. The important thing is that many disconnecting issues can be improved with a few quick checks at home before thinking there is a major service problem. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix AT&T internet that keeps disconnecting. Step 1. Check all cables connected to the AT&T internet modem and make sure the AT&T internet connection is secure. Step 2. Restart the AT&T internet modem by unplugging the AT&T internet equipment briefly before reconnecting power. Step 3. Move the AT&T internet modem to an open area so the AT&T internet signal works more consistently throughout the space. Step 4. Disconnect unused devices from the AT&T internet network. If the AT&T internet connection feels overloaded, Step 5. Check the AT&T internet service status or modem settings to confirm the AT&T internet network is working correctly. Step 6. Test the AT&T internet connection again and confirm the AT&T internet service stays connected without dropping repeatedly.